Hi guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge Bros. Guys, in today's video, here we are going to decorate a cake. Guys, here is our whipping cream. Actually, guys, we are going to decorate this cake and we are doing cake cutting because we have completed our classes. As Abhinav completed 4th class and I have completed 8th class. We are celebrating, guys. So here is a whipping cream. You can see, guys. We will pour it in a cover and let's start doing. And here are our decorating items also, guys. So guys, let's start the video. Yeah guys, first we have decided to put this whipping cream on the cream and on the cake and spread it. You can see, guys. Spreading. We have to spread it properly, guys. You can see, guys. We will add some more. Here we are using a wooden spreader instead of spoon, guys, to spread it more properly. You can see, guys, how nice it is coming. Guys, this wooden spreader is not at all good, guys. We will use this only, spoon only best. You can see. Abhinav, if any mistakes I am doing, please ensure me.
Yeah, it's correct only.
Okay.
Yeah,
guys,
it's enough.
now it's okay. Now we are using here the dark chocolate flakes, guys. Here are the dark chocolate flakes, and we are spreading like this. Some more we'll add there. This cake looks awesome, guys. This cake is homemade, guys. Me, my mother and my brother only made it. We are adding this for getting a better taste and a better decoration, guys. Here this is done, guys. Now so let's add colorful balls. So this also will add only some, guys. You can see, guys, how awesome it looks, guys. Abhinav, take the photos also.
Yeah, I'm trying that.
Thumbnail కోసం. Okay, guys, I think these are enough. And now I am thinking to cut this in a star shape and put it like this. Abhinav, do that. Let's do that or no?
Ashtamu.
At corners we will keep. Okay?
Yeah.
Like this small,
Okay,
small,
okay.
small one.
Yeah,
There is also much only, right? Cream is so
yeah,
much.
very so.
Huh? First, let's cut this. Mom told that we can do as much as we want. Guys, is this looks yummy, guys? Please say in the comment, guys. And I think this has came the star shape. Okay.
Yeah, show to this audience.
Yeah, wait. And we are here using a rubber band to cover this. Guys, if we use this rubber band, it's waste. So let's put first the whipping cream in this, guys. It should not go near the star, guys. I am adding total whipping cream.
Total?
Yes.
Yeah, because it needs so much, right?
Yes.
To add that flowers.
Guys, this is totally homemade, guys. We brought all the items which we want and we made it, guys. You can see, guys. Now what we are doing is trying to pack this. Okay, let's keep it like this and close this using this. Okay, first of all, it should not go here. I have closed it. And guys, here the whipping cream is coming out. So let's start keeping.
Yeah. It's looking superb.
Guys, please comment now only how the cakes look, guys. If it looks awesome, please comment it, guys. I am adding it total in the corners, guys. Can see, guys, how beautiful this is looking. We are adding this type of flowers totally round, guys. We have to add it carefully. Yeah, guys, we have completed spreading we have completed keeping this. So let's keep this. Take a photo, Abhinav, for thumbnail. Take it like this, Abhinav. So
Because all that will come, right?
with this all, okay, I will remove because we want for thumbnail.
Done.
Okay, guys, we will also keep some one dot.
फ्लावर्स में ये
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll some.
It's enough, right?
Okay, it's enough. Guys, then meet you. Guys, then we will meet you in the cake cutting session. So, till that, bye, guys. Here guys, you can see how beautiful and yummy it looks guys. See guys, it is dark chocolate guys. Here is the chocolate and here is the vanilla. Vanilla whipping cream guys. This is very yummy guys.
Yeah.
Guys, you can see guys, here we have kept number 5 and number 9. As Abhinav is going to 5th class and I am going to 9th class guys. And here is the cake ready and here is the knife ready and here we are doing party guys. Give the camera to mom.
Yeah, guys. So let's start the cake cutting, guys. Yeah.
Abhinav, are you happy to go to 5th class?
Yeah. Are you
very-
happy to go to 9th class?
Yes. So let's cut.
Cut the
3, 2, 1. Congratulations Abhinav.
Congratulations, my brother.
Wow guys. First I will give.
Okay. Wow, guys, it's
You can see,
looking very
guys,
small and
see how
nice.
It's very fluffy also guys. Take it. No wait, I will cut.
Yeah, guys, so yummy.
Guys, this one is so yummy. Comments how it is guys.
And
Guys, if you like this celebration and our decoration of the cake, please like, share and click this red button and click that I button to see our older videos and click this bell icon. And guys, thanks for watching.